Oh, come on. We got the new Sound Digital 1200 by 4 in stock. We're gonna unbox it. Isn't that real exciting? Another unboxing video. Haven't you seen them all? Come on, watch. Oh, it's exciting, I know, it's exciting. Oh, this is the cellophane that came up there. I'm gonna throw it in the garbage. Look at that. Foam pieces. Look at that bad boy. Okay. Look at that. This is a monster, and the monster goes with the beast, right? 1204. Anyway, we're going to be offering this from now on as an upgrade, okay? It's going to be like $6,000 upgrade, but you know, whatever. Call us and we'll tell you what kind of price we're going to come up with for the upgrade from the 804 to the 1204. And maybe in our Beast package or something like that. We just haven't worked out the fine details yet, but we have the 1204 Sound Digital and nice amplifier.